Now joining me in studio to discuss Mothers and Babies Perinatal Network's upcoming workshop, CHA Coordinator and Marketing Director Ariel Runyon and Hyen Tran. Hi guys, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. So tell me a little bit about Mothers and Babies, kind of what they stand for a little bit before we get started.
Yes, so I'm Hyen. I work at Mothers and Babies, and we help perinatal youth services. It's going to be a lot of words, but basically we can help anybody from the ages of before they're pregnant, when they're pregnant, as their baby grows throughout life. Our youth program goes into the middle schools and high schools and teaches about life skills that may be gaps in like the curriculum, just like softer skills like how to build friendships and healthy relationships. And then into adulthood, we also have health insurance for everyone of every age. So you don't even have to have a baby to take part in it. So you could be a small business owner and you need health insurance, you can call us. So part of the program that we are promoting right now is the one that Ariel heads up, which is called CHA, and it stands for Community Health Advocate. And we would love to have the public come and join us for some pizza. We'll be there Friday at our headquarters, and all the information's online. Avery will be sharing it on the news site, and it'll be on our Facebook as well. And Ariel's gonna take us through just what that means. You know, community health advocacy sounds like a really big kind of like nebulous term, but like basically Ariel, and she's very modest about it, but she has saved people over $1 million over the course of the year. And she's working within our health insurance team, but she's the one specialist that does this specific kind of function. So
all right, yeah, well, what an introduction. Sorry, my introduction wasn't as good.
You're great. No.
So yeah, walk me through it a little bit, kind of the program, what you do.
Absolutely, yeah. So the Community Health Advocacy Program, we work in conjunction with what is called the Community Service Society, and they're based out of New York City. So we want to make sure that we're offering private and confidential and free, no-cost services to individuals, like Hyen said, of all ages, regardless of demographics, gender. Our services are available to anyone. Now, for community health advocacy, we tried our best to provide like a helping hand to navigate the health insurance or just healthcare world in general. So we're
like explanation of benefits, that's so confusing.
Yeah.
Or like if you get a bill back in the mail and you're like, for me at least, I'm like, what is that?
Exactly.
Like what a lab bill? And,
we help with like the appeal process, or even just accessing prescription drugs, understanding health insurance in general, applying for Medicaid through the local Department of Social Services, understanding Medicare. We're here to, whatever the situation is, we're pretty much here to help the best that we can navigate through the process.
Yeah, that's awesome. You know, a lot of people just need someone to like help them understand. I get a lot of things in the mail, and I, you know, toss a lot of things, which I probably shouldn't. But you know, it's nice to have people like you to answer those questions. And so we actually went to the Binghamton location yesterday because you guys have 3 locations. Do you kind of work out of all of them, or how does that work? Because I know you have 3 now.
Yeah, so I work in the headquarters at Johnson City. I do offer virtual visits as well, and depending on certain circumstances, I'm sure it wouldn't be a problem if I needed to go to one of our other centers to bridge that gap of accessing services.
Yeah, and you know, when we are over there, there's so much that you guys have to offer, and like just like some things, you know, answering questions, being there for people, and then the kids center where people can come in and play and for free and things like that. So you know, moving on to the workshop that you guys are having, kind of walk me through the time and kind of what's going to happen in the workshop.
I can start,
yeah,
and then
absolutely.
because in the beginning you'll meet our executive director Alicia Beekman, and she'll be welcoming everybody in and just explaining kind of everything that we do, but also taking you through kind of what's happening in healthcare today. We know it's just like a very kind of tense time, and we want the community to know that Mothers and Babies is here to support you. So we've been here for about 30 years, throughout decades of a lot of tumultuous times, and have supported the community in all phases of life. So then moving into kind of CSS, how Ariel works with them, and she'll dive into that.
Okay.
Oh yeah. So Mothers and Babies will, like she said, introduce us and what we do. We could not do this work without the support of Senator Leah Webb and Assembly Member Donna Lepardo. So it's really exciting and special that they're going to be there, and we'll have the opportunity to share cases that we've worked on throughout the years at Mothers and Babies. Because sometimes you're in a situation and you're like, well, maybe that doesn't apply to me, and sometimes hearing how we were able to help someone else's story, you put two and two together. So I think we have the Community Service Society. They're going to be there, and they're going to talk a lot about what they do and just what CHA offers in general. And we just really want to reinforce the idea that we're here in the community to help offer our services if you need to.
Okay, awesome. And at this workshop, you guys will have pizza, like you said. So kind of tell me about that and bringing people in with that too.
Thank you to Senator Webb and Assemblywoman Ricardo for the pizza, because we also want it to be a fun place, a cozy place for people to come in and feel welcome, and also just to get to know our facilities too and all the things we offer, because people often think mothers and babies, you have to have a baby, it's babysitting, daycare, which you can get at mom's house. But like we offer all of these kind of educational pieces that really kind of reinforce each life stage and making sure that you're equipped as a parent, as a business owner, as an individual with your healthcare needs, and really just making sure you understand the systems that are very complex, because they are, right? And we have specialists like Ariel. We also offer in-language services, so we have bilingual speakers for Spanish, French, Creole, there's a lot, Mandarin, Vietnamese. So we're a lean team, but we do a lot. So if you need anything, with Ariel's help, she can tag team with one of our multilingual coordinators, and they'll get you what you need.
Absolutely.
And you guys are so sweet, like so kind. Every time I've gone here, I've always met the best people. So you
I
guys,
got you, girl.
everyone there is so nice. I always just like love going there and like meeting everyone. And you guys are so sweet too. If people are interested in this, or even talking to you guys about the things we kind of discussed today, how can they find more information?
They can give us a call directly at Mothers and Babies. They can stop by in person for an appointment. They can send us an email. However they need to get a hold of us, we're happy to help.
And we're on Facebook. Follow us.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it, and good luck with this year and all the goals you have.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yes,
So
of
much,
course.
Evie. Thank you.
For those of you who might have missed those details, Mothers and Babies Perinatal Network is hosting a workshop addressing healthcare challenges together on January 17th from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. at 346 Grand Avenue in Johnson City. In partnership with the Community Service Society and local leaders like Senator Leah Webb and Assemblywoman Donna Lepardo, this event will highlight the services of community health advocates who offer free, confidential help with healthcare navigation, including insurance and billing issues. For more information, visit mothersandbabies.org.